Good. Balancing around your turn. Good. Just watch she doesn't get behind the bit. Okay, try and just nudge her down a little and then ask for your canter. Nudge, nudge, nudge. Good. Nudge. Okay, and then we'll go circle on the end. Keep sitting back. And then we'll go down to trot, coming out of your circle, looking straight. And down to walk, staying collected. And reverse. Wish I didn't have these standards in the way. Can you get her nose back down?